Hi, if you think we were over engineering the previous lesson, you have to be this one. You have to see this one, because you will realize that that work became in the easy way that now we are going to use the tools we were building out. So check this out. Now we have this model in T-pose, this humanoid in T-pose. If we instantiate, create, for example, the animator, let animator, and we create a new animator, our animator, this one, I will drop it just in order to auto load it again. This one, new animator. Let me see the animator again. Animator, yeah, this one, this, and we pass the object, and we animator, and we call the method action of this animation, of this animator, and we choose the animation number 1, and we say the time scale is 1, and we say the cycle flag is false. You will see after the animation start, animator start, our character jumping. But if we change the index, the ID of the animation for number 2, you will see another animation. If we change it out, you will see another one. If you change it, you will see another one, and so on. So we can do something interesting here. For example, set interval, and we are going to put just 1 second, and we are going to run this, and we are going to put here the ID, and the ID will be 0, and here we are going to increment the ID, and if the ID is equal to 9, the ID will be 0 again. So after 1 second, we are going to change the animation. So check this out. Hopefully it's going to work. Yeah, you can see all the animations how cool is that? So maybe if we put just 500 milliseconds, it's going to transition in better, where you can see the transition between the animations. So something that we need to fix in Blender, for example, is the position of the animation in order to stay in the same place. But it's not topic about JavaScript, it's topic about the animations that we can see in the future lessons. So that's all by now. See you in the next lessons.